Today we Bangkok is a bustling city with modern infrastructure, skyscrapers, and cultural landmarks such as the Grand Palace and Wat Saran. As you head south, you'll encounter Thailand's stunning coastline along the Gulf of Thailand and the Andaman Sea. The southern region boasts pristine white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs. Popular tourist destinations like Phuket, Krabi, and Koh Samui are located in this area, offering visitors a chance to relax, swim, and indulge in water activities. Rivers. Apart from the Chao Phraya River that flows through Bangkok, Thailand is also home to other significant rivers. The Mekong River forms a natural boundary between Thailand and Laos, while the Salween River runs along the border between Thailand and Myanmar. These rivers not only contribute to the country's irrigation and agriculture but also offer scenic views and opportunities for river cruises. Islands. Thailand is renowned for its breathtaking islands. In addition to the popular islands in the south, there are numerous others worth exploring. Koh Phi Phi, known for its stunning limestone cliffs, Maya Bay, and vibrant marine life, gained fame after being featured in the movie The Beach. Koh Tao is a haven for divers due to its clear waters and colorful coral reefs, while the Similan Islands are a designated national park, offering fantastic snorkeling and diving experiences. National Parks. Thailand takes pride in its national parks, which protect its diverse ecosystems and wildlife. Khao Sok National Park, located in southern Thailand, is one of the oldest rainforests in the world and home to a wide range of plant and animal species. Erawan National Park, situated in the west, is famous for its seven-tiered waterfall, which gemstone. Countries in recent years, visitors are attracted to its stunning exchange and understanding. Affordable education. Thailand offers
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to us out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
which has contributed to the country's economic growth and development, whether it is in the bustling markets, the fields of agriculture, or the various industries. Thai people strive to excel and make a positive impact. Moreover, the warm and welcoming nature of the Thai people is renowned worldwide. Visitors to Thailand often experience the genuine hospitality and friendliness of the locals, which adds an extra layer of joy to their travel experiences. The Thai people's kindness, generosity, and willingness to help create a welcoming atmosphere that leaves a lasting impression on anyone who visits. In summary, Thailand's geography, economy, cultural heritage, gemstone industry, and, most importantly, the hard-working nature and friendliness of its people all contribute to making this country a truly remarkable and captivating destination. Thank you for watching the Glorious Thailand Views channel. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support.